Today's video we're going to be going over how to solve a system of equations using the elimination method. In the last two videos we went over how to solve it using the substitution method, the equal values method. Today's video we're going to be going over the elimination method. All problems using the elimination method are written in the equation like x plus by equals c. So a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is our final constant number right here. What we need to do is we need to manipulate one of the equations in order to get it so we can take out one of the variables. So I'm going to multiply this bottom equation by 2. You'll see why I do that very shortly. Let me just undo that. So we're going to multiply this by 2. So now we have 3x plus 4y equals 34 on the top, which just remains the same. But now we have 10x minus 4y is equal to 44. Now we're going to add these two equations together. What I mean by that is we're going to add x to x, y to y, and our numbers together. So we have 3x plus 10x, which is 13x. 4y minus 4y, plus 4y is plus negative 4y is just 0, so we're not going to write anything there. And that's equal to 34 plus 44, which is equal to 78. So now if we divide both sides by 13, we get x is equal to 6. Now let's plug in x is equal to 6 into our top equation. So we have 3 times 6 plus 4y equal to 34. 3 times 6 is 18. 18 plus 4y equal to 34. Subtract 18 from both sides. Sorry, it looks like plus. We're subtracting 18. So 4y is equal to 34 minus 18, which is equal to 16. Divide by 4, y is equal to 4. So we have x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. But we're going to check our solution and plug it into our equation 5x minus 2y equals 22. We're going to plug it into that equation and not the equation when we multiplied it by 2, 10x minus 4y equals 44. Plugging it into the equation before we multiplied it by 2 just to make sure we didn't make any mistakes when multiplying the equation. So 5 times 6 minus 2y, 2 times 4 equal to 22. So now we have 30 minus 8 equal to 22. So 22 is equal to 22. So that means our answers are 6, 4. So now let's just try this with one more equation. So our second equation is going to be 5x plus 2y is equal to 46. And let's say 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. So like we did in the first equation, we need to manipulate one equation and then get rid of one value. So the value we're going to get rid of is, we're just going to do y again because it's the easiest. So let's multiply this equation by 2. This equation, we're just going to leave it as is. So 2 times 5x is 10x, and then plus 4y is equal to 46. Then 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. So now, again, we're going to add both of these equations together. 10x plus 3x is equal to 13x. 4y minus 4y is equal to 0. And 46 plus 12 is equal to 58. So now we need to find a solution for x. And what we need to do for that is divide 58 by 13. So we divide 58 by 13, we get x is equal to 58 over 13, which is the most possible way we can simplify it. But there's one thing that happened. We actually ran into a problem. You see, when we multiplied this side by 2, well, I didn't check I forgot to multiply 46 by 2. And that's where we ran into a mistake and got a fraction. Which, don't always think because you get a fraction it's the wrong answer. But I noticed that because I'm pretty sure this was supposed to have whole number answers that I multiplied this wrong. But always just go back into the equation and make sure that you never messed up anything. So we forgot to do 2 times 46. We just left it as 46 before. But it's actually equal to 92. So now if we add it, we get 13x. Remember 4y plus negative 4y is 0. 13x is equal to 104. And now we can cleanly simplify this. 104 divided by 13, because we need to get x alone. We get x is equal to 8, which is our correct x value. But let's plug it in all the way back into the first equation. Again, before we multiplied it by 2, because we need to plug it in before we multiplied it by 2, just to make sure we didn't do any mistakes. So now we have 5 times 8 plus 2y is equal to 46. 5 times 8 is 40, so plus 2y is equal to 46. Subtract 40 from both sides. 2y equal to 6. Divide by 2 from both sides. Yeah, y is equal to 3. But just in case we did not make any more mistakes, let's plug it in. The second equation, 3x minus 4y equals 12. So 3 times x, so 3 times 8 minus 4y, so 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So 24 minus 12 is equal to 12, and 12 is equal to 12, which means that our answer is correct. And now our equation is 8, solution to the equation is 8, 3. And then the first one, we got 6, 4. So that's how you solve system of equations in the elimination method. If you don't know how to use substitution method or equal values method, go back to the other videos to make sure you know how to do those too, because all these 3 methods will be useful in school when you're doing problems like these. And I hope you learned something new today, and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.